Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show how to enable night shift on iPhone. Night shift is an iPhone feature that can make your phone's display easier on your eyes by adjusting the colors to warmer tones. Night shift automatically adjusts the colors of your display to the warmer end of the spectrum, making the display easier on your eyes. Night shift reduces the amount of blue light your phone emits by shifting the colors to warmer tones. Blue light can mimic the sun and signal to your brain that it's time to be awake. Now, let's see how we can enable night shift on iPhone. So, to enable night shift on an iPhone, you can do the following. So, open the control center, touch and hold the brightness control icon. Here you can see the night shift option. Tap the night shift button. Alright, you can see our screen has become warmer tone. Now you can also enable night shift by going to settings, display and brightness. Here you will also find night shift option. Alright, so from there you can schedule a time from night shift to turn on automatically and adjust the color temperature. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe for more videos.